Hi friends, thanks for joining us today. Today we're really excited. We're going to draw a picture of Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
And once again, if you didn't know, he's a Keelin, I'm Pa, and right about now, let's learn to draw. So today, we're going to be coloring with markers for our outlines in black. And then we're going to color with crayons for the inside, for all the shading. So, let's start off with Peppa's head. We're going to start off over here, and we're going to circle back around like this. And we're going to come outward like that and almost create what looks like a turbo. And we're going to draw a circle for the nose and 2 dots for the nostrils so pigs can snort. Then up top, we're going to draw ears that look like bumps on her head. 1, 2.
Yeah.
Good job. Now we're going to move to the eyes now. Peppa's eyes are just circles. So 1 circle, and then a circle inside a circle, another circle, and another circle inside a circle. And Peppa has bright rosy cheeks. So we draw another circle for Peppa's cheeks. And is Peppa frowning?
Yeah.
No. We want Peppa to give a big smile. Here's Peppa's big smile. Haha. Because she's happy, huh? Okay. Now we need to draw Peppa's dress. Are you going to draw Peppa's dress?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Okay. So we're going to start right here on the neck. And we're going to just curve it slightly down. And we're going to start on the other side of her neck. And we're going to curve it slightly down as well. Now this line we're going to curve downward and connect the two. Just like that. Now for Peppa's arms and hands, she just has stick hands and stick arms. So we'll draw her left arm and her 3 fingers. On this side, we'll draw another stick and 1, 2, 3 fingers. Ooh, you can do it. You're drawing really good. For her legs, we're just going to draw 2 lines straight down. 1 and 2. And for her feet, we're going to start at the bottom of the leg. We're going to circle back around. And for her other leg, we'll do the same thing. Now what are we missing? Her tail. We got to draw her tail. And her tail is just a swirly line, 1 loop, and back around. Okay. Just like that. Okay, so let's put up our markers. And now we're going to color. What colors do you want? Do you want pinks? Here, let's see. We got some pinks.
No repeat.
And what color's her dress? What color's Peppa's dress? I think it's red, isn't it? And you can make her dress whatever color you want. Because this is art. And we can do whatever we want, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we break the rules, huh? That red dress ended up being more of a magenta, huh? But that's okay. Like I said, with art we can draw whatever colors we want, right?
Yeah.
Yep. There's no rules.
Mom has rules.
Yeah, Mom has rules, huh?
Yeah.
But in art we don't have rules, huh?
There we go.
There we go. All done. And there you have it, friends. Our drawing of Peppa Pig. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.